You ready?
Mm-hmm. I have no idea.
You keep trying the same thing over and over again, it might work eventually.
Maybe. I'm not counting on.
It doesn't open.
Oh, it doesn't? How do you pick the coin?
How'd I put the coin in?
Right, that's what I just
He
said.
built the box around the corner.
So this is a
It's
whole...
a different one, but it's the same concept.
So this is all a joke then? You guys are playing a sick joke on me?
If that's your gift, it's
Well, that's
a
my
random
gift.
looking.
A random sick joke. That's nice. I keep seeing this hole, but I don't know if it does anything. Can I get a hint?
The hole doesn't do anything. It's because I made the wood out of pallet wood.
Okay.
So that's where
What
I
about this hole? Does any of the holes work?
No.
Okay.
You're a saw, you can open that real quick.
True. See, do you have a saw on you, dude? You could really use it.
Oh shit, I don't know. I don't think you'd be able to open it.
Am I
Unless you
doing
just cut
this
it
at
straight
all
in
right,
half.
or...?
Kind of. I mean, you're missing a step.
Yeah, wrong order. We just keep doing it, that's alright.
You're missing a step.
I don't understand what that means. Am I supposed to spin it?
No, that's my other box.
Oh, right. Okay, obviously this part is what comes out, but I don't understand what the other step is.
It's not that box.
I know, but... Dude, I have no idea. How am I gonna make you do this?
There you go. You're getting the right idea.
Am I?
Yeah.
Am I supposed to, like, grip it by that or something?
You're missing a step. Pull with your little boy arms. Pull.
Pull?
Yeah.
Pull what?
That.
This right here?
Yeah.
Why?
Pull.
Pull where? Down?
On it.
On it?
Oh.
Just...
Try the other side. Pull.
Just, it's screwed in.
Pull. That's a nail. Pull.
Okay, whatever. Oh.
Pull.
It's coming.
Like up. It goes. There you go.
Oh my god, what?
Okay, now show the camera.
Okay, wow. So there's like a lock in it. And it's just
Yeah.
kinda sits in here, and then this just slides out because it gets stuck in there. That is pretty cool.
And then your little.
Put it back in. That's wicked cool.